Good morning everyone. We've made it. So I'm jogging right now in the destination where I've been making it a little bit suspense, to you, where we're moving. It is, as you can see, it is rainy with some water, with some greenery over here. So we moved to Switzerland. We're living now in Zurich, and I'll be showing you in this video all the details that you need to take care of when settling in here, and also how our move itself went. So it was not the most straightforward move. It was a bit tricky, especially with a baby. I hope it is the last move, to be honest with you, because it was very heavy from an administrative perspective, but also from moving the stuff and so on, because you're not so mobile with the baby. But yeah, I'll keep you updated, keep you posted. Just stay tuned and leave your comments, likes, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, enjoy it. So the first thing I can tell you about, it's the flight over here. It was around 7 hours, so it is a long flight for the baby. He was very calm, but we had other babies around in the same sitting next to us, and each time one baby cried, all the babies start crying. So our baby was brave. He slept the first, let's say, half an hour until another baby cried, and then he stayed awake almost the whole flight. So it was a bit tricky, but then with a little bit of soothing and all this, we were able to make it through the flight. And once we came over here, it was a bit stressful for him, because we were at the airport, trying to get everything settled, and we just saw how the baby was stressed, because it was late evening, 10 p.m. and it is usually his sleep time, of course, and he was still like in the lights, and in the train and all this. So it was quite a stressful night. And then afterwards, in the next 1 or 2 days, we saw like really how stressful it was for him, because he was really enjoying the sleep that he was getting. So yeah, just be careful if you're traveling with a baby. So the next thing you need to be careful about is moving all the stuffs around. So we had around 8 to 9 bags, so from different sizes. And as I told you before, so you're not that flexible with a baby. So you need to take care of the baby, ensure that all his needs are met, and you need to get help. So in Dubai, we're lucky because it is Dubai. You get all the help needed out there. Once we came to Switzerland, of course, we don't know anyone, but Germany is just across the border, so we've got some friends that or a friend who picked us up from the airport. But we had too much stuff, so we had to pack all this stuff in her car, and we had to drive with the train ourselves because we didn't have any space left. So it is quite tricky, as I'm telling you. And then afterwards we had to move from an Airbnb to the apartment where we're staying right now. And so without the help of the family, so the family also came over to visit, without their help we wouldn't have made it, to be honest. It's very tricky. So just ensure, if you have friends, go out of the comfort zone and ask for help, because you'll need it. Believe me, you'll need it. So just keep this in mind, and hope it goes well for you. just arrived in the service apartment that we rented for 1 month, and it is looking great. So that's exactly what we were expecting. Great quality from Zurich. I'm very surprised. Oh, let's go first. Let's go with the order. So let's go to the bathroom first, because it is directly at the start. So when you enter the bathroom, you see you have again everything, the towels also, you have me, and the surprise that really shocked me actually, you have really the washing machine and the dryer all integrated within this bathroom. You see, it's very good quality, very new, and I think actually this building where I am right now is quite new, so this explains why everything is really new. So if we look here, that's the kitchen right now, and you see it is quite modern again, and you've got here in the middle the fridge and the oven, all the appliances you need. And like the most surprise for me was all the utensils that you have here in the kitchen are from WMF, which is a very good mark. So it was really a great surprise, and I'm looking forward to really cook in this kitchen. We've got everything we need for cooking. Yeah, and it will be a great experience here, just getting used to the apartment, and yeah, living here for the next months. Also, what you will be seeing, there is the beautiful living room over here, really cozy. And from the living room you can go to the bedroom. See, here we have the child playing right now on the bed over there and talking to me. And yeah, so you see beautiful balcony outside there, and we have a closet again over here. But let me show you the highlight of this apartment, which is the windows and the view from here. So this is Zurich from above. We are on the 15th floor, and you can see really Zurich from above. What a beautiful place. So if I zoom also over there at the end, you'll be seeing the high Alps over there, which is really lovely. And you see down here, this is the train station. There's a train station next to here, so it is not that loud, but you can hear some trains. But still, I'm really positive about the sounds and all this. So that's the beautiful view, the big windows here, and again, so the balcony from the living room. Really a beautiful surprise after this hard journey, moving from Dubai, having to cope with moving from the first Airbnb to the second Airbnb to the fourth now apartment. So we did like 4 times we moved apartments, which is quite tough. So you'll see the lines on my face are getting clearer and clearer. And that's actually what it takes for you to find the happiness at the end of the day, yeah? And yeah, stay tuned. I hope you're learning some stuff if you're moving to Zurich. And looking forward to keep you posted. Stay tuned.